In this aid, we will voice our own and market's viewpoint on Mapbook future while talking about the star Mapbook cost figure for 2023 and then some, which is very huge. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you ought to believe this and some other forecast tentatively, since foreseeing anything is a difficult errand, not to mention anticipating the fate of a novel, profoundly unstable monetary resource like Star Chartbook, which is very huge. Presently, we should head into it. Before we dive profound into the star Mapbook value forecast and answer questions in the event that Mapbook is a wise venture or not. For what reason will Mapbook succeed or fall flat, or for what reason will star Mapbook value rise or drop? We should rapidly toss a look at what Mapbook in a real sense is in its to-date history. Chartbook value expectation for the following 10 days. The genuinely entire crypto world is on an edge of a total breakdown. Bitcoin explicitly has fallen 75% from its unequaled high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs. At the point when add the latest implosions of enormous industry players into the situation, the horizon is cloudy and there will be more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers especially are selling dangerous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an extremely hazardous play, and consequently the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2023, particularly in the very second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2023 forecasts. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many in a real sense times in the far off and for the most part later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days with a sprinkle of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other for the most part greater players in the market to wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a regular and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost expectation model with a multi-layered way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and central evaluation of each undertaking. Basics that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, advertising endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical extremely potential, and a few other exclusive variables created in our crypto lab. 2023 0510 3.83% $0 0027 2023 05 11 plus 3.95% $0 0029 2023 05 124.83% $0 0027 2023 05 13 plus 4.28% $0 0029 2023 05 14 plus 0.73% $0 0028 2023 05 15 plus 0.59% $0 0028 2023 05 16 plus 1.88% $0 0028 2023 05 17 plus 0.17% $0 0028 2023 05 181.54% $0 0027 2023 05 190.62% $0 0028 2023 05 205.44% $0 Mapbook value forecast 2023 high expansion and very risky large-scale circumstance thought about vigorously. Bitcoin cost in 2022. At the point when we take the inside crypto issues with large players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 isn't looking excessively great for the bulls. We will likely especially see a ton of exhausting sideways cost activity with a propensity to for the most part slip lower with every minor market quake. Forecast model brings market feeling into a record and responds likewise. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of the very last a long time of 2022 and 2023. 2023 June 21.08% $0 0022 2023 Jul 41.80% $0 0016 2023 Og 25.71% $0 0021 2023 Sep 16.87% $0 0023 2023 Oct 7.41% $0 0026 2023 Nav 1.46% $0 0027 2023 Dec plus 8.55% $0 0030 2024 Jan plus 8.88% $0 0030 2024 Feb plus 13.88% $0 $0.0032 blemish plus 21.49% $0.0034 $2024 APRA plus 31.30% $0.0037 $2024 May plus 42.50% $0 book value forecast 2025 Our expectation model sees chart book coming to $0 2025. What will map book be for the most part worth in 5 years? The cost of chart book in 5 years could in a real sense lie around $0. Star chart book value expectation 2030 to 2040 What star chart book will be worth in 2030, which is genuinely huge. Our anticipating model sees star chart book coming to 1 cent in 2030. What star map book will be worth in 2040? Our estimating model sees star chart book coming to 3 cents in 2040, which is very huge. Will star chart book supplant, truly outperform, sort of overwhelm Bitcoin? No, star map book won't supplant or overwhelm BTC. Could star map book essentially reach $1? Indeed, star map book could reach $1 toward the finish of 2025. Will star chart book reach $10? Indeed, conceivable star chart book can reach $10, however, just in a removed future. After 2030, can star chart book reach $100, which is genuinely critical? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for star map book to reach $100 in the short or mid-term period, which is genuinely critical. Will star chart book reach $1,000? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for star map book to reach $1,000 in the kind of short or mid-term period. Is star map book worth purchasing? We essentially are promoters of tolerably unsafe financial planning. Really put the majority of your crypto portfolio in BTC, 35% in a bushel of enormous cap coins, and the rest in little undertakings with colossal potential gain. Thus, in this unique circumstance, star chart book merits purchasing. Is star map book a wise speculation? Star map book is, very much like any remaining cryptographic forms of money, a dangerous venture. It has higher likelihood of going up than down in light of the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, especially dynamic local area and a strong group behind it. What amount will star map book be worth? For the transient future, it could explicitly reach $0. In the long haul, it could leap to 1 cent or significantly higher. For what reason will star chart book certainly succeed and become more expensive incredibly? Star chart book has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it, which explicitly is genuinely huge. These are an essential for progress, and to that end our expectation model sees star chart book ascending to 1 cent in 2030, which is very huge. For what reason will star map book sort of come up short and drop in cost? Crypto projects fizzle because of multiple factors. Probably the most widely recognized ones are: group denounces any and all authority and leaves the task. Controllers pronounce it unlawful and press trades to delist it. Absence of media consideration, more fruitful contenders. Absence of all-around plan showcasing technique. Losing local area support. Expected weakness in the convention. Neglecting to accomplish expected least development action on the convention. Neglecting to draw in new engineers to expand on their foundation. How kind of high will star chart book go in an unpretentious manner? Our gauging model sees star map book value detonating and coming to 3 cents in a far-off future.